Welcome back to S&S British Bird Diaries. Well, here's an update on the one pair of greenfinches. There's another pair on 4 full eggs due to hatch tomorrow, and the other pair, normal greeny cocktail pie down, just built, due an egg tomorrow, I guess. There's the cock on the right and there's the hen on the left. Cockbird bought in off a very good friend of mine, Mr. Sir Alan Urry, sorry. There's a current year bred greenfinch from Shane Evans's bloodline. Here's a look at the chicks. On that one, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Boom, Sammy Boys out.